Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll make a car wheel. First, I'll select the top plane. At first, I will make its middle part where the screws will be connected with the car. I am taking dimensions arbitrarily, and it is not similar with the real car wheel. My goal is to show you how to make a wheel, not a proper wheel or not like real car BMW wheels, no. I just want to show you guys how to make a wheel very simple way. Thus you can make it, and when you have your own values of dimensions, you can just make it in this way or in another way. It's up to you. This is my way how to make things very simple. Now I am making the skeleton. I will try to use revolve base, so I make a center line and I am making one part, and then I will make the revolve base. Again I am telling that I will take my values like up to me. These values will not similar with the real car. And this design is also like not real car design. I'm just taking what I want to make, like this is my design. Now see what I am doing. I will use loft. So at first I need to have two areas. So I am making them. See how I do. I need this plane in the cross section of the body for my loft, then I don't need to extrude cut. You also can make this plane outside and loft it and then extrude cut it. It depends how you want to do. So I will make the cross section to see is it in the middle or not. And again I will say this thing again and again, this is my values, don't compare these values with the real cars. If you want, you can make your own with real model. So for loft we need a guided path. So see now how to make the guided path. See, my lofted part is done. Now I will do the circular pattern. I want to make 60 degrees and 5 or 6. Let's see, is it possible or is it intersect? If it intersect, I will do like extrude cut from the whole because it is joined in the middle part base, so don't worry at all. For looking things beautiful, I change some values here. I will do a little bit of extrude cut now for making it more beautiful. Yes, now I need the middle hole. So we are done. This is my car wheel. If I make a car in future, I will assembly with this car wheel. Just joking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.